The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, in a sunny field, there was an ant and a grasshopper. Ant knew he had to work hard to get ready for the cold days coming. The ant continued to gather food, while the grasshopper kept singing and playing. When winter came, the field became icy and cold. The ant had lots of food stored in his home, but the grasshopper had nothing to eat. The grasshopper went to the ant's house and asked for food. The ant shared his food with the grasshopper. The grasshopper was happy and thanked the ant. From then on, the grasshopper learned his lesson. He worked with the ant, helping to gather food for the winter. Together they lived happily ever after.